Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Ooh. Y'all, do y'all see me? Like, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey. Yes, y'all, your girl is coming through with the color. Okay. This wig is from Love Me Hair. So in today's video, y'all, I'm doing things really different. I feel like I do the same thing over and over and over again. Till it's all in my head, I think about it over and over again. Yes, come on, Chanelly and Chatin McGraw. But I feel like I do the same thing, and I just wanted to chill today. So I'm doing a chill get ready with me. I won't be talking. I won't be naming the products that I'm using. I'm just listening to music, vibing out, snacking while I'm doing my hair and makeup. All of the wig's information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their website. And I'll also leave all of my makeup products down below as well. Yes, y'all, get into this lay and slay, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video. see me pull it all together. Like, y'all see me do that. Y'all see me do that. Honestly, when it comes to this wig, I don't have any complaints other than this wig has a lot of flyaways, like a lot. Okay, and it feel like my wax stick is not taming them, and it was irritating me. But that's the only negative thing I have to say about this wig. The hair is gorgeous. The color is gorgeous. This is a closure wig, so I feel like it's a lot easier to install. It's very beginner friendly. This wig did not come pre-plucked, so I did go in and work a little bit of my magic, and you know we is giving scalp on a platter. But it's the color for me. The color really brings this wig together. Like, it just looks really good. And I was a little bit hesitant about doing this wig because it didn't come with dark roots. But I was able to pull it off, and I'm just like so proud of myself. As far as the hair texture, the hair is really soft. I didn't receive a lot of tangling and shedding. I did go in and cut the wig. I wanted to do like a blunt bob situation, but my daughter and my husband was like, no, you should curl it. So, you know, I did a little bumping of the ends, you know, baby, turn around and let me see that sexy wig go boom, boom, boom. Dun, 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 dun. But after I cut off the ends, y'all, this wig is flowing and going. Yes, y'all, no complaints. This wig is beautiful, and I'm really loving the color. Drop a comment down below and let your girl know if you're feeling the color on me. And most people would think this is a 99J. I thought it was too, but it's a plum. Okay, so we is plumbing in these streets. If you like this type of video, drop a comment down below. I'll do more get ready with me chill videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I look so pretty. I love this color on me. I got distracted. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.